Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss IELTS Speaking Part 1 and the topic will be cake. The first question is, do you like eating cakes? Yes, I love eating cakes. Their soft texture combined with the sweet flavor makes them a delightful indulgence. Indulgence, love it. Okay. Additionally, cakes often evoke a pleasant memory of celebration, making the experience even more enjoyable. Okay. Second question is, do you know how to bake a cake? Yes, I do know how to bake a cake, or I do know how to bake a certain cake, you can say. It is actually quite simple. It involves gathering the necessary ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and butter, and then following a set of instructions to mix them together in the right proportions. The batter is then poured into a cake tin and baked in the oven until it rises and becomes firm. Okay, so this is just a simple process of how to bake a cake. Third question is, when do people usually eat cakes? In my view, people usually eat cakes on special occasions or celebrations like birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, and holidays. However, some individuals also enjoy having a slice of cake as a dessert or an occasional treat. Okay? The fourth and the last question is, what is your favorite kind of cake? My favorite cake is the Black Forest cake. It is a rich, moist chocolate cake with layers of creamy frosting in between. I find the combination of the decadent chocolate flavor and the sweetness of the frosting to be absolutely delightful. Decadent, sweet, very nice, okay, in this context. So, this was IELTS Speaking Part 1 with the topic of cakes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button